This ravioli in a creamy garlic lemon sauce is a great way to up the game when it comes to using store-bought ravioli. It's all cooked in one pan, so it's super quick and there's no need to cook the ravioli separately. It all cooks in the sauce. So let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying pan over a low heat. Now we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic that have been peeled and very finely sliced, plus 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We're going to saute those together over that low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until that garlic softens. Now add in 500 grams, which is a little over a pound, of fresh ravioli, and increase the heat to medium-high. Add in 60 ml, which is about 1/4 cup of white wine, and let it bubble for about a minute. Now add in 240 ml, which is about a cup of vegetable stock, plus the juice of a fresh lemon. Stir it all together and let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now add in 4 tablespoons of double or heavy cream and 50 grams, or about 1/2 cup, of finely grated Italian hard cheese. You can use vegetarian or non-vegetarian, whichever is your preference. Stir it together and heat through for a further 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often until that ravioli is piping hot throughout. Now turn off the heat and stir in 65 grams, which is about 2 cups of mild rocket. Once that rocket's wilted, you can divide the ravioli between bowls and topped with a sprinkling of black pepper and a little bit more of that grated cheese. Just look at that sumptuous, garlicky, creamy lemon sauce. This is such a brilliant way to use store-bought pasta and really pep it up for a brilliant weeknight dinner. See you next time.